Hello guys, today we are doing Ireland and I know I am very busy because I'm working on something very big and I'm very sorry for not doing the photo video, but it will be kind of soon, I probably. And well, today we are gonna do Ireland. The blocks we'll be needing are black concrete, lime concrete, white concrete, orange concrete, and red concrete. So let's get started. Okay, so yeah, we are building Ireland. So yeah, is a chance that you can get a screenshot from Roblox, and if you're very lucky, you can actually get a screenshot from me. So yeah. Yes, so let's get started. So we're gonna start right over here and place one block right here. Do an up left diagonal and go left by 4. To a down left diagonal and go left by 1. Up left diagonal, down by 1, and left by 6. Do 2 down left diagonals, go left by 1, down by 1, right by 1, and down by 1. Do 2 down left diagonals, go left by 2, go down by 2, and go right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do a down right diagonal, down left diagonal, left by 1, down left diagonal, left by 1, down left diagonal, down by 1, right by 1, down by 1, and left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So now go down by 2, do an up left diagonal, up by 1, go left by 3, do an up left diagonal, go left by 1, do a down left diagonal, and go left by 5. Go down by 1 and go right by 2. Do a down left diagonal, left by 1, down right diagonal, right by 1, and go down by 3. Go left by 2, up right diagonal, left by 4, up right diagonal, and right by 1. So yeah, this is the coast that we have now done. And yeah, we have not that much to do, but yeah, let's go do the rest of the coast. So yeah, go to this block right here and go right by 3. Do and down left diagonal, left by 1, down by 1, left by 2, down by 1, down right diagonal, and left by 3. Do a down left diagonal, down by 2, up right diagonal, down by 1, and right by 3. Go down by 1, right by 1, down by 1, right by 2, and do a down right diagonal, right by 2, down by 1, down left diagonal, and down by 2. So yeah. So this part should be you should go right by 3, down by 1, right by 1, down by 1, right by 2, down right diagonal, right by 2, down by 1, down left diagonal, and down by 2. Yeah. So yeah, I want you to go right over here where we started this 3, and go one block. Well, skip one block and place one block here. Now go left by 1, do a down right diagonal, and then go right by 1. So yeah, now we have done an first and last Ireland in this tutorial, and now we're gonna now we're gonna go to this block and do 4 down left diagonals. Oops. Go left by 1, do a down left diagonal, and left by 1. Now go to the same block where we did this one, and go right by 2. Go down by 1 and left by 1. Do a down left diagonal and go left by 2, down by 1, right by 1, down by 2, and right by 1. At the same block where we did this right here, go left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do a down left diagonal, down by 1, and go right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from this block, go down by 1 and go left by 1, down left diagonal, left by 1, down left diagonal, down by 2, down right diagonal, right by 3, up right diagonal, right by 1, up right diagonal, and right by 2. So yeah, now we have done a little bit of coast. This shouldn't supposed to be here. But yeah. So yeah, now we have this. Now we have done the special coast, and well, yeah. Now let's get rid of this coast, and well, finish this video. Now from this block, go down by 2, right by 1, up right diagonal, right by 1, down by 2, right by 1, down by 1, right by 1, up right diagonal, up by 1, left by 2, up by 1, right by 2, up right diagonal, no, up left diagonal, and right by 2. Now fill these 2 holes with flame concrete, and now go to this block right here and go left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do an up left diagonal and right by 3. Go up by 1 and right by 3, up by 1 and right by 1, up right diagonal, up by 2, right by 2, down left diagonal, down by 1, right by 2, 2 upright diagonals, right by 1, upright by 1, right by 1, upright diagonal, 2 upright diagonals, and go right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go up by 1 and go right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do an upright diagonal, up by 1, up the, no, left by 1, upright diagonal, right by 1, upright, up by 1, upright diagonal, up by 1, upright diagonal, up by 2, upright diagonal, go up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. Do an up left diagonal, upright diagonal, and go up by 4. Do an up left diagonal and go up by 3. Left by 1, up left diagonal, left by 2, up left diagonal, up by 2, left by 1, up left diagonal, left by 1, upright diagonal, left by 2, up by 1, left by 1, down by 1, left by 1, go down by 3, and go left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do an up left diagonal, left by 1, up by 1, left by 1, upright diagonal, left by 1, up by 1, upright diagonal, up by 1. Go left by 3, no, right by 3. Go up by 1, go right by 1, up by 1, and left by 2. Now from this block right here, do an upright diagonal, right by 1, up by 1, right by 1, and up by 2. Do a downright diagonal, up by 2, right by 1, 2, upright diagonal, right by 2, up left diagonal, and go right by 4. So now you have done the coast of Ireland, and now let's do Northern Ireland. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. It looks pretty cool. And now let's do the finished rest of the Northern Ireland so we can get to the flag. Now, get to this block right here, do an upright diagonal and go right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do a downright diagonal, down by 1, downright diagonal, down by 2, right by 1, downright diagonal, down by 1, left by 1, down by 1, down left diagonal, and yeah. From this block right here, go right by 3, down by 2, down right diagonal, down by 1, down left diagonal, left by 1, and up by 3. Now I have filled in this hole with red concrete. Now go from this block right here, do a down left diagonal, down by 3, 3 down right diagonals, and go left by 3. Down by 1, left by 2, up right diagonal, and go left until you hit this block. So yeah, now we have done the coast, and let's go finish it with the flag. Okay, so yeah. So I want you go to right over here and go all the way down until you hit black concrete. Well, if it doesn't, so yeah, if it doesn't correctly line up, it is not the end of the world. You can just retry, and when you retry, you can do it always. No one's gonna stop you. And now, do the same with white concrete. And I'll go right here and go down. So yeah, do the same with fire concrete again, and do the same with orange green right here. Now you can just fill this in if you want to. And I'm gonna fill this in because, you know, I don't want to waste time on filling this in. See, yeah, now you have to go right over here, go down until you hit black concrete with white concrete. And now go to the same spot and do it with orange concrete. Okay, so yeah, now the flag is now done. Now you can just fill it in. And yeah, you can just fill Northern Ireland with, you know, red. And yeah, so this is what it. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you done the outline of the flag. And yeah, I'll see you when this is finished. This is what it should look like when it's filled in. So yeah, consider liking and subscribing. It helps me a lot. And don't forget to turn off notifications for more tutorials. So yeah, next country is gonna be United Kingdom, which is the last country in British Isles. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.